Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to fade between effects in Audacity. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Audacity app on your PC. Once the application launches, you'll see your audio project ready to work with. At the top of your screen, click on the Selection tool. This tool allows you to highlight specific portions of your audio that you want to modify. Now click and drag across the section of audio where you want to apply the fade effect. This selection is crucial because it determines which part of your track will be duplicated for the fading process. Next, navigate to the upper left corner of your screen and click on Edit. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Duplicate. This creates an exact copy of your selected audio, and you'll notice it appears at the bottom of your workspace as a separate track. Having a duplicate track is essential for creating a smooth fade between different effects. Now click on the Selection tool again at the top. This time, click and drag across the top audio track to highlight it. Once it's selected, go back to Edit in the upper left and select Delete. This removes the selected portion from the top track, leaving you with space to work with your duplicate track. Navigate to the duplicate track you created earlier. Here's where things get interesting. Hover your mouse over the blue line at the edge of the track until you see a grab hand icon appear. When you see this icon, click and drag the track to the right to create an overlap with the remaining portion of your top track. This overlap is what will allow the fade effect to work seamlessly between the two sections. Click the Selection tool at the top once more. Now, click and drag to select the top track. With your selection active, click on Effect in the top toolbar. Hover your mouse over Pitch and Tempo, then select Change Pitch from the submenu. This opens a dialog box where you can adjust the pitch settings. When you're ready, click Apply to implement the pitch change to your selected audio. Click the Selection tool again at the top. This time you need to select both tracks simultaneously, so click and drag across both the top and bottom audio tracks to highlight them together. With both tracks selected, click on Effect in the top toolbar, hover your mouse over Fading, then select Crossfade Tracks from the options. A dialog box will appear with default settings which work well for most situations, so you can leave them as is. Before finalizing, click Preview to test how the fade sounds. Listen carefully to the transition between the two tracks. If you're not yet satisfied with the sound, feel free to adjust the settings until it sounds just right. Once you're happy with the preview, click Apply to implement the crossfade effect permanently. Finally, click the play button in the upper left corner to listen to your entire audio with the fade effect applied. If anything still needs tweaking, you can go back and adjust as necessary. And that's it. You've successfully created a smooth fade between effects in Audacity. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.